pictures. He's attacking it.
He's gonna get him. Uh-oh.
Yes, it's a bald eagle.
Oh, go America!
Go America!
Let's fly faster. He's wearing it down. It's cat and mouse.
Watch him, watch him, watch him.
Washy. Before yummy.
Here we go.
Oh, that bird is really trying.
America!
He's really trying to get away.
Yeah. But he's tired out now. Okay.
Go, baby.
Bald eagle.
Wow.
Get him. Is that a female eagle?
I want to say yes. It's quite hard.
Is that a female eagle?
Apparently you can't tell without a blood test.
Yeah.
We learned that yesterday.
Yeah, we learned that yesterday. You can't tell without
Putting
it.
on the show.
Or if it lays an egg.
America.
True story. You have no external identifiable genitalia.
That would be
Yeah.
indication.
Fred, you betrayed me.
Well, either that's the dumbest bird or else.
Sorry.
And there goes the eagle.
You want to catch that, aren't you?
All right.
Hear the mic fall.